and welcome to part 1 out of a 5-part video set to show you how to set up your virtual shop. This video tutorial is for artists and vendors, and please make sure that you have applied for your event. The application link should be provided to you by your event organizer. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is go to www.eventney.com, and we will be prompted to a page that looks like this, where on the upper right hand corner we can either sign in or sign up. I already have an account, so I will click sign in and then sign in. Next, we want to access our business profile, so we hover over our icon and then go to account settings and click business profile, where we will be taken to a page that looks like this. The first thing we can do on this page is edit our logo. So I will hit edit logo, upload logo, and then select the file that I want, and it'll automatically update that. If I scroll a little bit more down, I can edit my business information by clicking edit. Here I can change my business name, legal name, primary contact, country or region. And in this section, please be sure to indicate your country and not accidentally insert your state, because a lot of times people put Georgia in this section, and Georgia is their state, not their country. Next, fill out your street address, apartment number, city, state, zip code, and each part of the address is important if items are being shipped, as the calculator for shipping will use this address. If you scroll a little bit more down, you can update your email, phone number, website, number of employees, description. You also have the option of changing your primary currency. So here are the 4 options you can pick from. You'll also have the option of picking between 2 different types of sales tax. The first one is calculate at checkout, which is an algorithm based on the buyer's location. The second option is add your own sales tax rate, and this is based on your state's requirement. So here we will provide you with the sales tax dollars so you can remit it accordingly. And if you notice, if you click add a sales tax rate, a pop-up will show up so you can put the sales tax rate. Next is preferred carrier, and here you will select your carrier because this will be used to calculate shipping. And for now, we will provide you with the shipping address and monetary funds if collected of the buyer, and then you can ship it accordingly. You also have the option of adding social media links. So you can add a Facebook link, a Twitter handle, an Instagram handle. And now you also have the option of adding a Zoom video link if you choose to have FaceTime with your buyers. You can enable and disable this link as you see fit. So here we can do Zoom. We will select Zoom video call, and then in the next option, please make sure that you are putting your Zoom chat link and not the personal ID. So now I will show you how you can go to Zoom and access this. So what you want to do is go to zoom.us/join. You'll be prompted to a page that looks like this. Right over here on the upper right corner, you'll see in an orange box, it says sign up, it's free. So if you don't have an account, you would just click that and sign up. If you do have an account, you would click sign in. And I'm going to sign in with Google. And once it does that, I go to personal profile. And here it says personal meeting ID, and so I want to make sure that I'm not putting this number, but I'm putting this link. If you put this number, your Zoom will not work. So it's really important that you put this link. And in order to grab the full link, you will click show, and then you will copy. You will go back to your business profile, and then you will click paste, where it will paste the link for you. You also now have the option of doing a video chat description, so you can enter your office hours information and description. So let's say that I am available Monday through Friday and I work from 9 to 5, so I can enter my office hours. And the last thing available on your business information is your age restriction, and this is mainly for vendors that are distributing alcohol. Once I'm done updating my business information, I click Save. Okay, so now if I want to see what my business profile looks like, I will go here where it says Preview Your Business Page and then click View Business Page. And so it'll take me to this, and I can see this is what my page looks like. If I scroll down, right over here where it says video call, if I hover over that, it'll show my office hours that I am available Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, which is what I just input. So I'm gonna go back to my business profile, and if I scroll a little bit more down, I can change my cover picture. Here, if I click edit, upload, and then I want this picture, so it'll update the picture. And you have the option of picking between cover, which looks like this, contain, and contain will fit the picture regardless of what device they are using, and then fill, so you can pick between these three, and then it'll update that once you click close. You also have the option of adding pictures. So if you click edit, upload picture, and I want to upload this picture, so it'll automatically add it, and I can delete pictures by clicking this X on the upper right corner of the picture. I can also rearrange the pictures by dragging and dropping, just like that, and I can add as many pictures as I would like. If I scroll a little bit more down, I can add YouTube videos. Here I would click add, type would be YouTube link, and then I would insert the link right over there. This is the end of part 1. Thank you.